In this video, we are going to talk about time value of money, specifically the future value of an annuity, which is a series of deposits or payments. For our purposes, we are going to assume that the compounding period that we are using is annual. Time value of money problems include variables. The variables in this type of problem are the amount of payments, or the series of deposits, the time period in years, the interest rate that's being charged, and the future value, or the amount in the future. This future value is the variable that we will be solving for. So we have a problem to solve. The problem says, what is the future value of $3,000 deposited each year for 10 years, invested at an interest rate of 5%? So let's look back at our variables. We have the payments that are $3,000 each. We have the time period, this is 10 years. We have the interest rate, which is 5%. The variable that is missing is the future value. That's the one we want to solve for. We can use a financial calculator to solve this problem. Our keystrokes would be the following. N equals 10. IYR equals 5. Notice this is not in decimal form. Present value, or PV, equals 0, since this is an annuity. Payment equals negative 3,000. It must be in negative to show the outflow at each time period for the amount that you have invested. The last key to press on the calculator is the future value, or FV key. The future value is $37,734. We can also use Excel to solve this problem. We can use the FV, or future value formula, where we insert the rate, number of periods, payment, and present value. We can also use the formula wizard in Excel to select the future value option. This allows you to insert each of the inputs and solve for the future value. The future value is $37,734 with rounding. Let's look at one more financial calculator problem. What is the future value of $5,000 deposited each year, invested for 15 years at 6%? Our keystrokes would be the following. N equals 15. IYR equals 6. Notice this is not in decimal form. Present value, or PV, equals 0, since this is an annuity. Payment equals negative 5,000. It must be in negative to show the outflow at each time period for the amount that you have invested. The last key to press on the calculator is the future value, or FV key. The future value is $116,380.